Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my English video. Today we are learning lesson 14. In this lesson, I will tell you about 8 story through 8 pictures. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now listen to the first story. This is She is my friend. She is very beautiful and she is 32 years old. And this is Tom. Tom is 32 years old. Tom is very handsome and attractive. Tom is boyfriend of mine. Look at the picture. You can see they are inside. They are sitting inside restaurant. This is her favorite restaurant. After and they are ordering the drink after they has dinner together. Next, this is the second story. Now listen to the second story. In this story, I will tell you about my brother. My brother is 33 years old. He is very handsome and friendly. He is running a coffee store. He makes drink very well. I and my friends often go to his coffee store to drink coffee or tea. You can see in the picture he is pouring the tea for customer. Next, this is a third story I want to tell you. As you know, water is very important for the body. A person should drink 2 to 3 liters water of a day. Even though they don't feel thirsty. I always drink 2 liters water a day. But my children don't like it, so I usually make extra fruit juice for my children. It's good for health and they love it. You can see this is my son. In the picture, he is drinking water. Next, this is fourth story with Carrie. Sometimes I go to expensive restaurant. Last week I was invited to a luxury party. The atmosphere here is quite interesting. The restaurant is crowded. Look at the picture. You can see this is a waiter of restaurant. He is not young, but he works very hard. He is wearing he wearing his uniform. He is wearing uniform of restaurant. In the picture, he is carrying a tray for customer. Every day he works from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Next, this is a fifth story with park. This is my new car. Is a very expensive car. Is a orange and fast car. Before I bought car, I tried to find lot to park my car, but I couldn't find any empty lot. Now I have to park my car on the side road. I worry about the bad weather. Sorry, I worry about the bad weather. Now I keep finding the lot to finding a lot to sorry, now I keep finding the lot to park my car. If you know, there is a lot around my house, Hadong district. Please show me or contact me. Thank you. Next, listen to the sixth story. In this summer holiday, my children don't have to go to school, so we often go to visit our grandparents. My grandparents lives in a small house in the village. My grandparents' house is far from my house, so we often go by train. Look at the picture. You can see my son and my daughter is standing in front of the station and wave to me while I buy tickets. When I buy tickets. Next, this is a seven picture. Listen to the seventh story. My brother is a mechanic. He works for a service company. He works very hard, but his salary is not high. And his dream is to have a garage. Now he has quit his job, and his dream has come true. He runs a garage. You can see in the picture, he is repairing my car. Next, this is a last picture. This is Tom. He is my friend. He was married. He has 5 children, 2 girls and 3 boys. He is a driver. Every day he works from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. He works very hard to have a life better. Last year ago, he bought a new car. You can see in the picture, he is ready to drive a taxi to pick up passengers. My short story is over. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. See you later.